Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum, dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus KPK Book Foundation Physics SSC 2 Unit number 15 Electromagnetism. Now we will discuss about SLO base according to FBISC requirement numerical problems question number 8 to 10 in part 3. Let's start the video. In question number 8 numerical problem given statement is a wire carrying a steady current DC current of 30 ampere current has a length of 0.12 meter between the pole faces of magnet. The wire is at angle of 60 degree to the field. The magnetic field is approximately uniform at 0.90 Tesla. Determine the magnitude of force on the wire. Now, according to statement given data, current in the wire I is equal to 30 ampere and length of wire is equal to L, that is equal to 0.12 meter. Now angle theta is equal to 60 degree and magnetic field B is equal to 0.90 Tesla. We can require that to find the magnetic force FB is equal to question mark. So finding the solution using the formula FB is equal to Bill sin theta. So for a solution, we know that for FB is equal to Bill sin theta, putting the values. Then FB is equal to 0.90 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 0.12 multiplied by sine 60 degree. So sine 60 is equal to 0.866. Now FB is equal to 0.90 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 0.12 multiplied by 0.866. So the magnetic force FB is equal to 2.8 Newton. Let's move the next numerical problem. Question number 9. Given statement. If the current through the primary coil change from 0 ampere to 10 ampere in 0.02 seconds, such that the induced EMF is 4.3 volt. What is the mutual induction? Now write the given data. Initial current I that is equal to 0 ampere and the final current IF that is equal to minus 10 ampere. Now the time delta t is equal to 0.02 second and induced EMF S is equal to 4.373 volt. Now we can find that mutual induction M. So using the formula induced EMF is equal to, by the formula we can know that induced EMF is equal to mutual induction minus delta IP multiplied by delta T divided by delta T. So mutual induction M is equal to minus induced EMF delta T divided by delta IP. So here write this formula by the equivalent sign. So we can use the values, then m is equal to minus 4.3 multiplied by 0.02 divided by minus 10 minus 0. That is equal to 0.08 divided by 10. So mutual induction M is equal to 0.0086H. That is equal to 8.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3H. So that is equal to 8.6 mH. M stands for milli. Now the numerical problem in question number 10. A step-up transformer has a primary number of coils consisting is 200 tons and secondary coil is 3000 tons. The primary coil is supplied with a AC voltage of 90 volt. What is the voltage in a secondary current? So according to the statement, write the given data. In given data, number of turns in primary coil NP is equal to 200 and number of turns in secondary coil NS that is equal to 3000. Now the voltage, primary voltage VP is equal to 90 volt. We can find that the secondary voltage Vs is equal to question mark. Using the formula to find the solution, we know that Vs over Vp is equal to Ns over Np. This implies that Vs is equal to Ns over Np multiplied by Vp. So putting the values, Vs is equal to 3000 divided by 200 multiplied by 90. 3000 divided by 200 that is equal to 15. So 15 multiplied by 90 that is equal to 1350 watt. Then the secondary voltage Vs is equal to 1350 watt. For more videos subscribe our channel. Best of luck. Allah.